big station!
Stay near me.
I see a train! Wait, Jace.
Do we have all bags?
Yes, 5 bags.
Please check again.
All bags are here.
My bag is stuck! Pull it straight. Like this? Yes, good job! Can I help? I am ready! This is our ticket! Grandma?
Yes, to Grandma.
You have 5 tickets. Where is mine? This one is yours. Thank you. The train is very big. Yes, very big. Is it our train? Yes, it is. It is loud. Okay. Is it safe?
Yes, I am here.
This is our seat. Can I sit there? Yes, by the window. Thank you, Mia. The city is far. Yes, we are moving. Goodbye, city. Hello, countryside.
Eat slowly.
I am hungry.
Take small bites.
Okay, Mom.
We travel all day
All day?
and all night.
That is far. Look at the trees. So many trees. This is the countryside. It looks nice. Oh. This is your seat. Seat 12. Can you remember? Yes, seat 12.
You can sleep.
I want to look.
I will wake you.
Thank you. What are those lights? Village lights. They are beautiful. Yes, very beautiful.
Sleep now, Jace.
Will Grandma wait?
Yes, she will.
Good night. We are still on the train. Yes, it is far. Very far. Almost there.
We are here.
The air is fresh.
Yes, very fresh.
I like it.
Hello, Jace.
Grandma!
Come here.
I missed you. I missed you, Grandma.
I missed you too.
Your garden is big.
Come and see.
No tall buildings.
Only trees.
I like the trees.
Me too.
Huh?
The roof is old.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I can.
Please be careful.
That pumpkin is big.
Do not climb it.
Can I touch it?
Yes, gently. Pumpkins need sun.
And water?
Yes, every day.
Plants need care. Jace, look! Apples! Can we pick one? Ask Grandma first. Okay,
Twist and pull.
like this?
Yes, very good.
The tree is safe. Mmm, this apple is crunchy. Yes, very fresh. It tastes good. Eat slowly. Tiny red strawberries. Mmm, pick the red ones. Not the green ones? No, they are not ready. Put them gently. Like this? Yes, very gentle. I can do it.
These are grapes.
They grow together.
Yes, in bunches.
They look sweet. Do not eat too fast. The fruit is good. Save some for later. Okay. Are you from the city? Yes, I am. Can you run fast? Yes, very fast. Oh, say hello first. Hello, everyone. Good. Can we play now? Catch me! I am coming! Run faster! I am trying!
Look at these tracks. Rabbit tracks. How do you know? I see them often. What is that sound? It is a bird. Where is it? In the bush.
Hey, look, something shiny. What is it? Let me see. It's so sparkly. Be careful. I think it's treasure.
Let's show everyone. The water is cold. Yes, very cold. But it feels good. Stay near me. Stay near the rocks. Okay? Do not go far. I will stay here. Look, a crab! Whoa, it's so cool! I'm gonna touch it. Whoa, it moves! Going that way! Let's follow it! Be careful! Are these safe? Yes, these red ones. Only red ones? Yes, only red. Only red ones! I remember! Can I eat it? Wait first. Why? Ask Grandma.
These red berries are safe.
What about blue ones?
Do not touch them. Okay, red only.
That cloud looks like a fish. I see it too. Look at that one. It looks like a train. I saw a small crab.
Were you scared?
A little.
You were brave.
We found rabbit tracks.
That is interesting.
We looked carefully.
Good work.
What is that sound?
It is a cricket.
It is loud.
Yes, at night.
Dad, I'm ready to fish.
Great! Pick a rod.
This one.
Good choice. Let's go.
Will we catch a big one?
We'll try our best.
Do fish bite?
They bite the bait.
Not my hand?
Keep your hand away.
What should we cook? Fish soup. With vegetables? Yes, fresh vegetables.
Is the pond far?
No, not far.
I am a little tired.
We are almost there.
Okay, buddy, reel it in slowly.
Is it a fish, Daddy? I think so. It's pulling. Wow. Now we wait.
Yes, we wait.
Waiting is hard.
Be patient.
It moved.
Stay calm.
What do I do?
Pull slowly.
I got one. Good job. It is small. It is your first fish. Your fish is bigger. Yes, a little. I want a big fish. Try again later.
Can we catch more?
That is enough fish.
No, we have enough?
No, we have enough.
Do not spill the water.
I am careful.
Walk slowly.
Okay, slow steps.
I caught a fish. Good job, Jace. Can you cook it? Yes, for lunch.
Wash the fish first.
Then add salt?
Yes, a little.
Okay. Wash the vegetables gently. Okay. Not too much water. I will be careful.
Lunch is ready.
It smells good.
We work together.
Teamwork is good.
This is the best meal ever.
I'm so glad you like it, sweetie. I helped pick the tomatoes, and they are delicious, dear.
You're right, champ. Family time is the best.
Yeah.
We need eggs. And strawberries. And flour. Let's start. Keep it secret.
I will not tell.
Good.
It is a surprise. Pick the best strawberries. This one is red. Yes, put it here. It is perfect.
Mix slowly.
Like this?
Yes, slow circles.
The cake will be good. I will add 1 egg. Be careful. No shells. Good job.
The roof needs work.
It is old.
I will fix it.
Please be safe. Go slowly, Peter.
I am okay.
Hold the ladder.
Thank you.
Dad is fixing the roof.
Yes, he is.
It is loud.
He is almost done.
Do not stand too close. I want to watch. Watch from here. Okay. Draw Grandma too. Next to the pumpkin? Yes, next to it.
The roof is better now.
Thank you, Peter.
I am happy to help.
You are kind.
The cake smells good.
Yes, it is ready.
Can I taste it?
Wait for Grandma.
Put grapes in a circle. Like this? Yes, very nice. It looks pretty.
Say it clearly.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Very good.
I can say it. She will like this. I hope so. She will be happy. I am happy too. A birthday party!
What is this?
Yes, for you!
For me?
We made this card.
It is beautiful.
Jace drew the pumpkin.
I love it. Happy birthday.
Make a wish!
Okay.
What did you wish?
I wished for family.
You blew the candles!
Yes, I did.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Jake.
Small slices first.
Can I have more?
After dinner.
Okay.
To Grandma.
To family.
We love you.
I love you too.
Did you live here?
Yes, as a child.
Did you climb trees?
Yes, many times.
Was the stream here?
Yes, always.
Did you play there?
Yes, every summer.
Look! Fireflies! They are beautiful. They look like lights. Small flying lights. They look happy.
Yes, very happy.
Tomorrow we leave.
I know.
I do not want to leave. I know. I will miss this place. Me too. Say goodbye to the garden. Goodbye, apples. Goodbye, strawberries. I will miss you. This is for the train. Thank you. Come back soon. I will. Write to me. I will. Tell me about the city. You tell me about the village.
This is too much food. Take it with you.
Thank you.
Eat it on the train.
Call me if you need help.
I will.
Take care.
You too.
I do not want to go.
I know.
Can I come back?
Yes, anytime.
We will visit again.
I will wait.
Take care, Grandma.
You too, Mia. Grandma is waving.
Wave back. Goodbye, Grandma. See you soon.
Are you ready?
Not really.
It is hard to leave.
I miss Grandma. We had a good trip. Yes, very good. We will come back. I know.